what are the main benefits that Tribe Digital's AI grant service offers compared to traditional grant writing services?
Okay, so the first one is the technology that we use doesn't just write grants, it learns about your organization. So it's actually able to source grants that are relevant to your organization or you as an individual, if you're a musician, etc. It's able to source grants and add them to our grant calendar, which goes out to our clients. So, that's one. You're not just getting sort of random grants that really don't apply to you. You're getting really sort of precise information.
Like tailored grants.
Grants that are tailored to what you do. That's one. Number two, it, like I mentioned before, it's more efficient. We really take 5 business days, and that's because we do a lot of work on the front end. Our technology learns about the grant, learns about, what funders are looking for, learns about your organization. If you need help developing programming or refining program, we're able to do that. And we do that over a 5 business day span. And at the end of 5 business days, you have a pristine grant. The other thing, which I think is so crucial, is that it creates an equal playing field for everyone. There are a lot of smaller organizations. We represent a lot of smaller organizations that just don't have the time, just don't have the money, just don't have the resources to be throwing thousands of dollars at grant writers, with just the hope that, well, perhaps they'll put together a good application for us. Working with Tribe Digital, you're ensured that this is the best possible grant application that can be produced with current day technology, right? So
because you're using AI.
Exactly. So you're not depending on whether this person was tired when they were writing your grant, or whether you don't know them as well as organization ABC, and they have a relationship with them, so they put more effort into their grant than they put into yours. That doesn't happen with us because the technology creates a level playing field for everyone. Everyone's grant is given the same amount of attention. Everyone's grant is given the same amount of detail, and everyone gets a pristine and wonderful grant application to submit to the funder. If you're a not-for-profit, if you're a church, a mosque, a faith-based organization, if you're an individual or an entrepreneur, and you are confused about how to really access grant funding, or you want to elevate the level of grant funding that you are currently accessing, I would say give us a call, connect with us, visit the website, because it's getting more and more competitive in the grant landscape. And there are so many fantastic organizations that are missing out on the resources that they need and I think deserve, just because they don't have a strategy when it comes to accessing grant funding. And we can help you with that strategy. We can help you writing the grants. We can really help you impact the community in the way that you should be impacting your community. So connect with us at tribedigital.ca/grants, and let's see what we can do for you.